Class 10 students, today we will discuss on topic public facilities of lesson number 1, that is development of economics. Quick revision we will do. Public facilities are the facilities that are provided to the people by the government. The provisions of public services and facilities in the urban environment has a significant impact on the quality of the life that residents and others enjoy. Public facilities play an essential role in providing support services to create viable, sustainable, healthy and cohesive communities, overcoming social barriers and raising achievements. Money alone cannot buy all the goods and services that one may need to live well. Income by itself is not a completely adequate indicator of material goods and services that citizens are able to use. Government has to provide certain essential facilities like healthcare, sanitation, electricity, public transport and educational institutions. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provisions of basic health and educational facilities. In some states, the public distribution system PDS functions well. If some PDS shops, that is ration shop, does not function properly in such places, the people there are able to get the problem rectified. Health and nutritional status of people of such states is certainly likely to be better. Human Development Report published by UNDP compares countries based on the educational level of people, their health status and per capita income. Through Human Development Index HDI, which is a composite statistics of life expectancy, education and per capita income indicators are used to rank countries into 4 tiers of human development. Human Development Index is the quality of life index prepared by UNDP. It has mainly 3 indicators. Life expectancy at birth. It denotes average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. Second one, gross enrollment ratio. It shows enrollment ratio in primary schools, secondary schools and in higher education. Third, per capita income. It is calculated in dollars for all countries so that it can be compared. Adding all the 3 indicators and dividing by 3 gives the Human Development Index. HDI is equal to life expectancy plus gross enrollment ratio divided plus per capita income divided by 3, that is called HDI. India stands 126 in the HDI rank in the world. Besides having better income, equal treatment, freedom, education, security and peace are included in the developmental goal. Though the domestic political process, these development goals of different sections of society can be achieved. Human Development Index published by the UNDP indicates the level of development of a country, how far it has travelled and how far it has yet to travel to achieve high ranks in matters of such as per capita income of people, welfare elements such as life expectancy, literacy, educational level of people and health status. Now we can know new terms. Infant mortality rate, the number of children that die before the age of 1 per 1000 live births in 1 year. Literacy rate, proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group. Net attendance ratio, total number of children of age 6 to 10 attending school as per percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Body mass index BMI, that is weight in kg divided by height in meters. It is measure of body fat based on height and weight that applies to adult men and women. Human Development Index, it is composite statistics of life expectancy, education and per capita income indicators which are used to rank countries into 4 tiers of human development. Now we can discuss one more questions, very short. Questions 1. What do you mean by literacy rate? Answer. It measures the proportion of literate population in the 7 years and above age group. Second question. In which state literacy rate is the highest? Answer is Kerala. Third question. Why Kerala has low infant mortality rate? Answer. It has adequate provisions of basic health and educational facilities. Question 4. What is denoted by the life expectancy at birth? Answer is average expected length of life. Fifth question. What is the full form of HDI? Answer is Human Development Index. Next, sixth question. Write the components of Human Development Index. Answer. Life expectancy, gross enrollment ratio and per capita income. Now question 7. What is India's HDI rank in the world? Answer. India has been ranked 131 out of 188 countries in 2017 Human Development Index as per latest Human Development Report HDR 2016 by the United Nations Development Programme UNDP. Question 8. How we will calculate body mass index? Answer. Dividing the weight of the square of the height in meters. Question 9. Which state of India has a high infant mortality rate according to data 2003? Answer is Bihar. Next question 10. Which country has the largest size of illiterate population in the age group of 15 plus in the world? That is Bangladesh. Question number 11. What other goal is included in the development goals beside having better income? Answer. Equal treatment, freedom, education, security and peace. Next question number 12. What is a development goal for the landless rural laborers? Answer. More days of work and better wages. Now question number 13. How can we achieve the development goals of different sections of our society? Answer. By democratic political process. Now question number 14. Why do some people oppose dams? Give one reason. Answer. Because this disturbs the lives of people who are displaced.